TQL works hard to move millions of freight loads each year with industry-leading technology and unmatched customer service. This is us, and so is this.
With TQL sending the packages and the support notes, there's not too many companies that do what TQL does.
Thank you, partners, for helping us make a difference. And thank you, TQLers, who donate, volunteer, and work hard 24/7, 365.
The energy in this building is it's filled with compassion.
A lot of the stuff that TQL does is the reason that I actually came to the company, and try to give back to the community.
It's not just at headquarters, it's across the country. With 175 charity captains who stepped up to make an impact in their communities. We do whatever it takes to make every move matter.
We are paying for the cost of transportation, so we're alleviating that burden from nonprofit organizations, but also too, we're lending our experience in transportation.
I look for opportunities to move loads with Moves That Matter with different customers. I mean, it feels great to do a Moves That Matter load and know that you're helping people that need it.
From everyone here at TQL, thank you.